Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 6 by 4.4 foot outdoor resin storage. This one here has reinforced floors for all weather. Alright, so right here we've got our shed. This one here is 6 foot by 4.4 foot. This is an outdoor resin. It does have reinforced floors for all weathers. It has a lockable door with a window, and it also is waterproof. So right here is the box. So it is a very nice small box. It's not too heavy. They do offer this in different colors. They've got gray, blue gray, and dark gray. So right here is the instructions manual, and then you have the parts. This was kind of super easy to put together except for the roof. It was a bit confusing when it came to the instructions, but other than that, it was pretty much easy to put together as long as you follow the instructions. I do recommend checking out the seller's video on Amazon. That way it'll show you the easiest way to put the floor and the roof together. So here are all the parts. These are the sides. They just slide into the poles and then you screw them in. They give you enough screws to make sure that you get this to be sturdy. So the dimensions is 71.6 deep by 52.8 inches wide by 82.7 inches high. So the item weight itself is 88.17 pounds. The material of this is resin. So it is a really nice, sturdy shed. I don't know about high winds. We do get about 65-mile-an-hour winds here in Texas. So this one here is just basically to put my water softener and the brine tank in here. So you can see I do got the sides up and the back side up. So it was super easy. The floor was a little bit difficult because it was kind of confusing. But thank God for the video on Amazon. I was able to finish off the floor and the roof of it. The doors were a lot easier and the window was super easy to put together. So in all, I would say this shed is really nice. Right here we have it completely finished. We have the vents on the top, back, and the front. Here is the little door screws here, and then we're going to move to the side. Right now I've gotten one door on. I'm working my way on getting the second door on. At the moment I'm just going to screw in all the back side so it doesn't slip out. This is basically just a pull down and snap together with these screws. So this is what it looks like with one of the door on and the window. So I'm going to come back after I have the second door on and it all connected. So right here I do have it set on pallets because the way my ground is, it kind of goes up and then doors get smashed into the ground. So I have the second door on. I'm going to go ahead and put the lock on, which you can see right there. There's a lock. So this does lock. You could put a lock up on here, and then here is the side, and it's really nice. I don't know about having it around 65-mile-an-hour winds, which we do get here, but being that it is the back side of my house, it doesn't get too much wind back here. So this is actually just being put in for my water softener and the brine tank. So we're just going to open this up, look inside, see how deep it is inside. It is a really nice size. It gives you enough room. You could put a bike or whatever. Like I said, I'm putting a water softener, brine tank, and a couple filters in here. This is what it looks like from left to right. And all these pieces here are labeled, so that was super easy to put together using the instructions manual. So this floor right here is super enforced, so it does hold a lot. Just be careful, do not drop the window because it will cut into the floor. Again, this is the resin. It is not super hard plastic, but you can see right here it looks super nice. I have to clean it up. We did have a dust storm just after I put this up. But if you're looking for a nice shed that is super easy to put together, that doesn't weigh too much, I would highly recommend checking this one out. Now, if you live in an area that has winds above 65 miles an hour when going on bigger sizes, I don't know about that, but this one here is a 6 by 4 foot, and it works perfectly just for my needs. This is what it looks like all completed, doors on, windows in, vents at the top. I would definitely say this is a really nice shed, and I would say take a look at this one.